Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert.
This is the circuit diagram of a bistable multivibrator, or simply it can be called as a latching circuit. I will explain you about the usage of this circuit and details about bistable etc. while we are assembling the circuit. This circuit is using 555 timer as the core component. I will make a video on the real-time application of this circuit later. Please watch the video completely because in the circuit you can see the capacitor I have written as two values, one 4.7 microfarad and the other 0.01 microfarad. In the testing time I am showing you the problem and the solution for that problem, so please don't miss anything. The switch we are using is micro switch. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. Let us make this. I am not assembling this in a PCB. Instead of that, I am assembling directly to the pins. Bistable or latching means it has two states and both states are stable, which means if the output is in one state, then it will continue in that state forever until we give a trigger to the circuit. Once it receives the trigger, it will go to the next state, that is off state, and will continue in that state till next trigger is given. Latches are mostly used for storing data. All digital electronics uses latches. Without latches and flip-flops, no digital electronics. I will tell you about some other usages of latches. I am telling you the usages of latches. Please kindly do not think that it can be done in other ways. You are opening your almirah door or your cupboard door. When you open it, the light inside it will switch on. And when you close its door, the light will switch off. This is a typical usage of a latch. I have completed the assembling of this circuit. Let's power it on. I am using a 9 volt battery here. You can make use of 12 volt power supply if you have that one. You can see the LED is in off state, and if I am momentarily pressing the switch, then the output goes to the other state, that is on state, and will continue in that state. If I am again pressing the switch, it will go to off state and will continue in that state. The digital output of this circuit is stable in both cases. There is one problem with this circuit. If you are momentarily pressing the switch, it will work fine, and if you are giving the trigger rapidly, then it fails. You can see it in action. This is the design problem and with one of its component. You can see it is totally failing. The problem is because the capacitor has high value. It is taking more time to charge this capacitor. Its value is 4.7 microfarad, and this can be fixed by replacing 4.7 microfarad with 0.01 microfarad ceramic. Let's replace this electrolytic capacitor with the ceramics capacitor and test this again. Now this is working perfectly fine and no missings. Every trigger is counting towards the output. I believe this video helps to slightly increase your knowledge, and this circuit will help you a lot. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you.
This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.
If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video. Thank you for watching.